In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on your Facebook app. So to enable dark mode on Facebook, this is a simple thing to do. So the first thing you will need to do is open up your Facebook app. Once you open up Facebook, you will be on this page here. And from here, what you can do is click on the three lines in the top right hand corner. Once you click on the three lines, you need to scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Click on the drop down menu for Settings and Privacy, and then now you can click on the Settings tab. Once you click on Settings, as you can see under Preferences right down there at the bottom, there is now an option for dark mode. If you click on that, what you can do is you can click on Use System Settings, and if your device system settings are on dark mode, it will follow that setting, but if not, what you can do is click on. Once you click on, as you can see, the Facebook app will now be in dark mode, so it's just that simple to enable dark mode on Facebook, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.